Hello and welcome to AbleJam TV. If you are new here, kindly subscribe. Today we are going to be hearing on the verdict of the Building Bridges Initiative from the Court of Appeal. Court President Justice Daniel Musinga is leading his colleagues Patrick Keage, Hannah Okwang, Fatuma Sikhail, Francis Tuyot, Rosalie Nambai and Gaten Bukairu in delivering the judgment. Legal experts say that only two outcomes are expected, which are to either uphold the High Court judgment that nullified BBI or overturn it and give life to the Constitution amendment process. ODM leader Raila Odinga said they are not planning to move to the Supreme Court if the appeal is defeated. In giving the verdict, the judges stated the following. Justice Patrick, those who swear by the Constitution must be ready to live with its requirements. Counsels should endeavor to apply their minds and extract the true meaning on a subject. Only then can they be said to have assisted court. Some counsels painted a surreal picture of the basic structure doctrine, making it sound as if it were a new thing in our jurisdiction, but it was there before. Some were out to mislead court. On President's immunity, Justice Kairu says the decision of the High Court is right. The President can be sued in his personal capacity, he says, but Justice Kairu also says High Court erred in making orders against the President without satisfying itself that he had been served with the petition. I am in agreement with the High Court judgment that the quorum of IEBC is 5 commissioners as set in the Act. Justice Kairu agrees with High Court finding that IEBC lacked quorum when dealing with BBI bill. IEBC violated its own rules on verification of signatures of voters who endorsed the BBI bill. The Commission denied Kenyans adequate access and time to confirm whether their details and signatures had been erroneously used to endorse the bill. Public participation is a fundamental principle in our country. It must be infused in the amendment process. I am in agreement with the High Court that there is a legal requirement under Article 10 of the Constitution for voters to be supplied with adequate information to make informed decisions. There's no evidence that was done in this case. Justice Sikhail says proposal for creation of 70 new constituencies is not unconstitutional. Says Kenyans have the right to ensure there is no underrepresentation. On presidential immunity, Justice Sikhail says that when it comes to civil proceedings, the president is not insulated, in his own personal capacity, if he does anything or fails to do anything.
I talked to her. She must have told that I am a very special person. Who informed you? Yes, you look very nice. And if I
we will wait for the Court of Appeal to indicate whether it is a transformative court or it falls within the category of the great beard of jurisprudence. But we are optimistic that the court will assert the supremacy of the Constitution and uphold the judgment of the High Court to a large extent, if not in its entirety.
I'm just waiting for the court to hear its ruling. We argued, so today is just waiting for the verdict.
So, whichever way it goes, you think you may proceed to the Supreme Court?
If we are dissatisfied, certainly. But if we are satisfied, that will be it. Yes.
What is your anticipation?
we are winning.
And in
BBI must go.
And in the event you lose, you will proceed to the Supreme Court.
Precisely.
Oh my God, if I die, I'm a legend. When they lay me down to rest, I know I was always repping. Oh my God, my whole life